The issue of mental health may become front and center in a high-profile case of a woman accused of killing a toddler. I'm News 5 investigator Tara Morgan. What Bionca Ellis stated in new court records, and an expert says mental health will not just be big when it comes to this case, but for the timeline for when all of it plays out. New Cleveland police records reveal in late February, officers took Bionca Ellis to Metro Hospital after she said she wanted to kill someone and eat their flesh. Records show she became agitated and began fighting nurses, doctors, and police officers in a psych room. Shelter staff called police and told them Ellis confessed to murdering someone in Bakersfield, California, and wanted to surrender. Bakersfield police say they only knew Ellis from an assault case. Records from Bakersfield showed Ellis was arrested a month earlier at a hospital when Ellis refused to leave after being discharged, and she isn't named in any homicide case there. I spoke with Michael Benza, a law professor at Case Western Reserve University. He says he would not be surprised as the case unfolds there was a mental illness diagnosis.
The things that she has been saying to other departments, false confessions about other crimes, implicating herself in other types of activities, is a common paranoid and delusional component of some of those mental health problems.
During a pretrial hearing Monday, Ellis rocked in her chair, often leaning her head to the side. Ellis is charged in a 10-count indictment, including aggravated murder. She's accused of stealing knives from a thrift store and stabbing to death 3-year-old Julian Wood in a North Olmsted Giant Eagle parking lot. The judge set trial for early December.
And there have been very clear indications of her conduct in just the court proceedings that she's already had, that competency is going to be a question.
Benza says there are 3 aspects of mental illness that will take up significant time. Competency will be first and foremost. 2 other considerations, whether there's a defense of not guilty by reason of insanity, which Benza says goes back to the time of the crime.
What was her mental status then?
And the state ban on executing people with serious mental illness.
There will have to be an investigation and probably litigation over whether or not she qualifies for that ban.
Ellis remains in jail on a $5 million bond. I'm News 5 investigator Tara Morgan.